Everyone, welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the platform to build a website for your kosher grocery store. Now, if you've just stumbled across this video and you aren't quite familiar with the service, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, kosher grocery store, and there it is. I'm now going to select that template. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our kosher grocery store so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my company name, as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to retail and click on continue. Awesome. How can our customers get in touch with us? Let's go ahead and put in our phone number as well as our email address and click on continue. Great. Where is our kosher grocery store located? I'm going to go ahead and pop in our street address over here as well as our postal code and click on continue. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday and Sunday. Whoops, we open 7 days a week for convenience. Let's do a quick review, make sure everything's in order. Everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to move along. If you need to make changes, click on update location or hours. And look at that, Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website for our kosher grocery store in literally less than a minute. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're all completely free to use, no licenses needed. However, if you've got your own images of all the amazing kosher grocery products you've got in your store, and you want to make one or two amendments to the content that was pre-written for you, you can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding. You don't need to be a web developer. And you certainly don't need to hire a web developer or expert to help you with this either. So today I'm going to be walking you through each section from the top to the bottom, making my way through and showing you a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how simple it is to use. I'm really excited because I've actually grown up in a Jewish household and visited many kosher grocery stores. So I'm super excited to do this tutorial with you today, and let's get cracking. I'm now going to hit the update section at the top, and the first thing I want to do is click on show email on site. So my email address is displayed on the top right hand corner. It's visible on my page next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. We've already put in our address and our physical location, and the great thing about it is when our customers click on that address, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to our physical location. Let's head to update social links. Over here you can put in the various social media platforms your kosher grocery store is active on. Icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner next to that email address. Let's go ahead and save and move along. I'm now going to head to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet because you're in the startup process of your kosher grocery store, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really great. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and upload it. If you don't have a logo yet and you really want one, I do recommend you check out canva.com as there's a few free great options on there. Now my logo's been uploaded. We can make it bigger and smaller to suit our needs, but I think that sizing is perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and save it and move along. Now perhaps the colors that have been pre-selected for you as well don't quite go with your branding, your signage, your logo used throughout your kosher grocery store. Now, you don't need to know color coding to change it. All you need to just click on this handy little paint bucket over here and go through the various different options available to you We are adding more color palettes every single week, so I'm going to go ahead and select this one. It's pretty neutral, and I can change it at a later stage. On to the next section. We're making such great progress. Now over here, go ahead and click on update section and head to update image. Now if you have your own images, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Multi-sites will automatically search for Kosher grocery store. However, you do need to play around with the terms a little bit and just see what pops up and try different terms. So I'll search for kosher. Let's see what else there is. So that this one has popped up, which I know is very popular in the Jewish community. So I'm going to actually go ahead and select that one. It is similar to the one I currently have, but I just want to show you exactly how easy it is to make some changes. Awesome, that looks amazing. I'm now going to hit update content. Title, subtitle can be changed to suit your needs. Button doesn't have to say get in touch. Let's say get directions so people can easily find us. And now head over to choose link. Now over here we can link to another website, perhaps you offer our online ordering system, you can link to that. Otherwise link to an action, click to call directions or click to email. So for this one I want to link to directions, but another great option is to upload a PDF file. So perhaps you have a PDF file of the catalog of the different products you stock. Go ahead and upload it there so when your customers click on that button it will automatically go to that PDF file you've just uploaded. Let's move along. Over here again, pre-written content. You can amend it, it's just a guideline. Button can link to various places. Head to update section and make those changes. We've now made our way into the about us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how you got into this industry, how long you've been a member of the Jewish community, perhaps, why your customers should trust you, that all your products follow the kosher standards. Go ahead and put all the details over here. Your customers would love to hear your story and get to know you a little bit better. Awesome. Over here, we've got another great spot for a high quality image. I've selected this image at the top. So go ahead and update it. Choose one of your own, browse your device, or choose one from that photo library. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services your kosher grocery store offers. Do you offer health and wellness products that are kosher certified, like supplements, vitamins, natural remedies? Do you have a bakery section, a deli section, dairy section with cheeses, milks, and other dairy products? Go ahead and pop all the details over here. Another great spot for a high quality image, but I think this is absolutely stunning, so I'm leaving it just the way it is. Over here, if you need to make any amendments to those hours or that address and that button, click on update section and go through the various changes. So look at that. We've literally gone through our website for our kosher grocery store in less than 10 minutes. We've made changes, changed some images, the colors, the content. It was such a breeze. I didn't need to hire any professionals to help me with this. It really was so simple. It's only going to cost me $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. No credit card needed, like most other online services. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial. You've got nothing to lose. I'm now going to head to stop editing and head over to my site dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain, all you need to do is click on connect a domain and go through the various steps. If you're struggling, there is a blog post over on our blog at www.martyshouse.com with a step-by-step tutorial as well as some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. So do check it out. If you don't have a custom domain, I'm really excited to let you know you can now purchase your custom domain through the Mighty Sites platform. We've recently introduced the feature, so check it out and purchase your custom domain. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your kosher grocery store. If you have any suggestions or any questions, any features you'd like to see in future, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.